Today we're asking students around campus some questions about SLC. Come with me.
One of my favorite things about being a student at SLC is definitely the general community, but also the exercise room called the Shack. It's definitely my favorite.
Community built around the school.
The experience that you get in the classrooms from faculty. I have never had a closer relationship with a faculty member in my whole life.
The environment, the classrooms, everything, the facilities, there's a feeling and the sense of belonging is here.
You got the in-field experience with the real clients, and that's amazing.
At the student association, I really love going and meeting people. The gym, I really love the gym over here. They have various clubs over here.
The neat little spaces that I didn't know existed until I started going here.
Making connections with a lot of people. You will be like, hey to everyone, hello.
Taught real life skills. We also have like real clients in terms of our classes.
A lot of teachers because they also treat me like as a friend, and I learned many things from the AMC.
My advice would be nice to your faculty because the teachers are really supportive.
Make like a study group or just a little close community.
Work hard and make sure you are having the most fun that you have ever had.
You need to learn time management. Manage your time well. If you manage your time well, everything will be sorted out.
Think long term. You're going to be committing to a year or a number of years, and make sure that the program that you pick at SLC fits at Dream for you.
You have to show up in each and every class.
Just feel it, go with the flow, accept things as they come, and then enjoy every moment here.
Go to the school beforehand to find all your classes before they actually start so you're not late.
Be polite to everyone because everyone is here to learn something new.
Do what you want and choose the course that fits you and that you love doing, because that way you're not doing a job, you're just enjoying life in general.